Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix low video memory on Forza Horizon 5. I got this message today, so we're going to try to fix it. So unfortunately this game isn't very well optimized for PC, and many of people are getting this error. So first of all, you want to try to clear the cache of Steam or Xbox application. So if you are using Xbox Game Pass, then you're gonna go write down Xbox, then you're gonna click App Settings, and this will open up, and you want to go ahead and reset this application right there. As you can see, the app's data will be deleted, so you want to click Reset. If you are on Steam, you want to go here on Steam at the top, then click Settings. Then here on Settings, you're gonna click Downloads, and then you're gonna scroll down until you see Clear Download Cache, and you want to go ahead and clear the cache. Another thing you want to try out is go ahead and go to your graphics settings. And on graphics settings, you want to write on Forza Horizon 5. You want to find it, and you want to choose the high performance option here. Now, you also want to make sure that you have enough space on your PC, as it will take a lot of space for Forza to work. Also guys, if you are using NVIDIA Broadcast app, some people said that this causes the problem, so you want to go ahead and turn it, just close it basically. If you don't use it, then that's okay. Now, you also want to go ahead to your settings on Forza Horizon 5, and you want to go ahead, go to graphics, and then you want to go ahead and lower the textures. So here is texture quality, so you want to go ahead and set it maybe to medium. Basically, go ahead and lower it. Now, if you also would lower your difficulty, then you would get way less NPC cars, and that will also improve your game, so you shouldn't get that low video memory error. And of course, you want to go ahead and play with other graphics and maybe lower some of those in order for this error not appear basically. So we can go ahead and lower some of the other settings right there. Just play around with those and see if that fixes the problem. So if this video was helpful guys, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time.